what I've been waiting for. That's what it's all about. Woo!
I hate this job. It's so freaking boring. All we do is sit around and drink beer.
Are you kidding? This is my
Bruh.
sit around drinking beer. Remember what Bacon said? He said we got to move all those crates by morning. Where are we supposed to move? I don't know. I didn't really listen to that part. Hey, give me another beer. Oh yeah, have mine. I shouldn't drink anymore. I have a really bad cold. All right. Wait, is this a low-carb beer? Did you beans hear what happened at the party last night? Some dude went in there and killed everyone. He even killed Cappuccino's nephew. Oh my God! Who was this bean that killed everyone? Is he someone I should be worried about? Nah, he's probably just some crazy lunatic running around with lots of guns. That's the problem with this country. Too many crazy lunatics with guns. Ain't that right, baby? Lunatics aren't the problem. The real problem is the guns. What this country needs is some serious gun control. I mean, we need to take away all the guns. All of them. And just get rid of them. But not my gun.
What?
Bean, you dropped into the wrong place.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Looks like what we got here is a standoff.
Bruh.
I'm in the thick of it.
Well, he's killing him.
Send in the mercenaries.
Bruh.
Keep firing! Don't let up! Grenade!
That brother's floating in the air. How could his hands do this? Oh, someone get him out the air. Oh my God!
But what the hell, boy? 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 But what the hell, boy?
I can see we came to the right place. You made short work of these beans. Don't expect the same fight from us. My squad is me. I hand-selected them myself in the academy 10 years ago. All of them graduated with top honors. I led these beans through 3 tours of duty, accumulating a total of 15 letters of honor, 11 purple hearts. Sure, we lost a few good beans. Well, then we went to the business for ourselves. Best way to high level things. Corporate assassination, preemptive search was passed. Let us plain search and destroy. We even robbed a few federal banks with this. Sarah, I was little shit didn't want Are you going to say something?
Oh, I'm sorry. I must have totally zoned out on you. Whoa, my eyes are starting to water. Whew, sorry.
Bruh.
What?
Let's make one thing clear.
Bro, what are you
Last
talking
night was the
about,
party.
man?
Tonight, I get to work.
Yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for. That's what it's all about.
Decaffeinated.
Oh my God!
It's worth a try.
Bruh.
It's not a...
Any answers? Any answers from him?
He's awake.
So, this is a great killer bean.
Bruh.
Yeah.
No way. You killed my bean. What do you want from me?
Better enjoy it while it lasts, tough guy.
Tough words from a bean who is helpless.
No, you did not. Okay, maybe you did.
What do you want, killer bean? Who are you working for?
What, you expect me to just blurt it all out?
Bruh.
Nephew was at the Bakersfield warehouse when you attacked it, okay? I think you owe me an explanation.
Your nephew? Your nephew.
But what the hell, boy? But what the hell, boy? But what the hell, boy? But what the hell, boy?
As long as it's something
But what the hell, boy?
professionally you never agree. So, you know, he's such a sweet kid.
Oh yeah, I remember him. He was the one playing the music.
Music.
Yeah, he's dead now.
Kill this bean. He's wasting my time.
It's about time.
How's it feel to be killed?
Funny. I was about to ask you the same thing. Are we done playing games for today?
Finally.
Dispatch.
This is Cromwell.
Roger, Detective Cromwell.
I need backup. I'm at 43rd and Main Street.
Right away, sir.
There's no rush. I got time. Cromwell out.
How dare you? How dare you come onto my property looking to kill me? Who do you think you are?
Hate to burst your bubble, Cappuccino, but I'm not here to kill you.
What?
I'm here to kill him. You just got in my way.
I don't understand. You want to kill him? No me.
What the hell's going on? Just shoot him already.
It's complicated. Why don't you just beat it?
No, I'm quite interested to knowing why.
Fine. You want to die too? Believe me, it's no trouble at all.
Actually, I think that my estimated taxes are too soon. I like to stay on top of that stuff.
Good idea.
Oh, by the way, Megan, you're fired!
That brother's floating in the air. How could his hands do this? Oh, someone get him out the air.